Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today guys I will show you how to edit PDF using Foxit Reader. So guys, this is the software you can download for free on Google. After open your this software, click open the file, select your PDF you want to edit, and as you can see here, from here guys, you see this pop under. From here you have all these tools you can use for free. You can type writer from here, you can select from here writer, and from here you can write highlight. You can highlight your text. From here guys, you can select your text and you can choose highlight from here, this option. You can select the preview from here and select style, and you can remove this, highlight this text. From here guys, you have a reflow here, this option you can use a reflow. You can edit your PDF using this reflow option. You can zoom from here guys, and you can zoom and zoom back. From here just click zoom out, as you can see here, and click again and click another again. From here you can zoom any keyword. If you have this option clipboard guys, you can select any text or option, you can clipboard. From here guys, you have this a lot of option here. You can use you can share and you can view this PDF. And from here files guys, as you can see, this is my file. You can edit easily without any problems. You have vertical split option. This option you can use to vertical your PDF. This horizontal split option you can use for your object guys. This is how you can read more. From here you can increase your text, as you can see here. This is how you can do guys to edit your PDF. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.